Now I have a challenge for you. Starting today, ask yourself 5 questions every night before sleeping. Answer each question in English. Speak for just 5 minutes and do this every day for 1 month. At first, you may hesitate, but after a few weeks, you will notice something amazing. You will start answering more quickly. You will use more vocabulary and your confidence will grow naturally. Every question you ask yourself becomes an opportunity to practice. So don't waste those opportunities. Turn your daily thoughts into daily English practice. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you really enjoyed this lesson, start asking yourself questions today. Keep learning, keep thinking in English, and keep improving one day at a time. I will see you in the next video.